Good morning, children. So, today, page number 51, SST class 3. Okay. Now, you see, efforts of the government. Efforts of the government. Okay. To create an environment that is sensitive to the needs of the differently abled. Okay. Yeah. The government has taken certain steps. So, dear children, you see, actually, there are many schools, deaf and dumb schools. It is controlled by central governments. It is run by central governments. There are everywhere in our India, deaf and dumb schools. So there are many teachers who take care of the blind people, deaf people, handicapped people. So those who broken leg, hands. So there are many schools. So there are many teachers also to take care of the this deaf and dumb children. Okay. So government has a certain plan for the these people, differently abled people. Okay. So railway stations, bus stops, shopping malls, schools, and many public places have ramps for people who use wheelchairs or are not able to climb the stairs. Yeah, you see, dear children, for example, we are seeing the many ramps. There will be no staircase, there is no steps and all. So ramps will be there. For example, this like this differently abled people, when the person cannot able to walk, so we can take to them easily with the help of the wheelchair. Okay, through the ramp. Okay, if there is no ramp, it is very difficult to take to the that handicapped people or any those who can't able to walk. It is very difficult to take them to the inside the hospital. If there is a ramp, we can with the help of the wheelchair, we can go on the ramp. So ramp is like a slope way. So you can see here, see how that ramp, the one person is going on the ramp. You see page number 51. So there are many, it is like in the public hospital, main purposes in the hospital we can see, on the big shopping malls we can see, and airports we can see. So there are many places, in public places also, in the schools also we can see. So like that. So many city buses have introduced low floor buses for easy boarding and highlighting. So there are many buses also, just ground floor only. That is very down should be there. Then people can easily climb into the bus. Okay. So we no need to struggle to get into the bus. Okay. Public transport also have seats reserved for them. Yes. If you go for any buses, any government buses or any private sector buses, there will be written, this is physically challenged people. This is old age people. This is MLA seat. This is MP's seat. So they will be written the behind the seat. That people should be only senior citizen. So they will write, this is a senior citizen. That seat only senior citizen means only old people can only sit after crossing, those who are having already more than 60 years old. So that people are called senior citizens. So there will be already written in the on the that seat. Oh, the people can sit there only. So even we should not, young people cannot sit in that one. So separately the seats are allotted for the old age people, senior citizens. Okay, that is reserved for them. Okay, so they can easily sit on their seats and they can travel. Okay, like that. So it is in the public sector also, in the public buses also, in the government buses also. These facilities always available. Okay. Coins and currency notes have special features to make them user friendly for the usually paid. Okay. Yeah, now you see, for example, it is like a brain lip is there now. So brain lip is there now. Same this one also for the ear also, for the blind people, for deaf people, no, for mainly blind only. So they have a special training. So how to find that currency? So which type of coin we can find? This is 5 rupees coin. How can you recognize? This is 2 rupees coin. How can you recognize? This is 10 rupees currency note. How can you recognize? So they have a special feature. They have special talent on this currency. Okay. Friendly for the usual impaired. There are special schools to train the differently able to live life independently. See, there are special schools to train the differently able. There are many. I told you before. There are many different schools for the deaf and dumb schools that is run by central governments. Okay, so there they will give special training for them. Differently able to live independently. Okay, the government has reserved certain seats for them in colleges and government jobs. See, for example, you see, even if it is in the colleges also, easily they can get the they can easily admit, they can easily join. They have a reservation for the quota. They have a quota. They have a reservation. They can easily join any college or any schools, and as well as at the same time, in the if they go for the higher studies also, there is a 100% chance for them to get the government jobs also, because of they have a reservation. The government is giving reservation for them because of their differently abled people. So they cannot able to see, so they cannot able to listen, they cannot able to walk. So that is the, so government is having different reservation for the differently abled people. So there are many ways, in the bus, in the train, in the schools, in the colleges. Okay, so in the, if you want to travel by train also, they have a less money they take. Okay, even if you are handicapped, there is a disabled box, so people can travel in that box, no charge for them, free. They have, government is giving pass for them. When the ticket collector comes, you have to show that one, your pass, okay, which is approved by government. Even if you show that ticket collector, then he will say okay, then you can travel. Okay, like that. Okay, in the same, the colleges government also, no, you have to submit your documents. Then there also you will get a easy seat. Now you see page number 52. Special people and their achievements. Here we are talking special people and their achievements. There are many special people around us who are great achievers in various fields. Okay. Despite their disabilities, they did not give up and achieved their goals in life. You see, disabilities. Okay, disabilities. What is the meaning of disabilities? It shows capability. For example, your hand is broken here. Your hand is broken. The doctor will give you disability certificate. How much this hand can work? How much it is damaged? Either this hand is in the future, it can be work, it cannot be work. There will be percentage. Okay, the doctor will give you the certificate. Based on that certificate, so based on that certificate, so you can choose your chances. Okay, so like this also, there are many special people around us who are great achievers in various different. So there are many great people. They are achieving many different fields. Not only the same fields, different people and different disabled. So they are achieving in different fields, various fields. Okay, despite their disabilities, they did not give up and achieved their goals in life. So despite their disabilities, they did not give up. So even if they have also any problem also, so they did not live their life. So they have reached their goals. They did not give up and achieved their goals in life. So even if they have also, even if the person is having blind, even if the person is a deaf, but there are many people, they achieved their goals, they reached their destinations. So example, so this is the difference. Even if we have everything, we have everything, we have a mouth, we have a nice eyes, we have a nice ears, we have a nice head, nice hand, nice legs, but sometimes we are unable to reach our goals. But here you see some disabled people are there reaching their goals. They did not think that I am a disabled person, I can't able to read, I can't able to see. They did not disappoint in their life. And also you see, and also they tried and they reached their goal in the life. So this is the what the story, dear children. Okay, this is the lesson today. And you see, dear says something, you read out, you will understand this one, and further any question and answers will be there, then I will forward you. Okay, so thank you so much. You read please, you will understand. Yes.